I've been posting on YouTube now for nearly 7 years, kind of off and on. It started off kind of just as a hobby, and so I was super inconsistent in posting, and money was never really a top priority for me. But over just the last couple of years, I've become way more serious, way more dedicated, way more consistent, and am actually making some real money off of YouTube. Now, we all know of the big YouTubers, right? You've got your Mr. Beast, you've got your Logan Paul, and they're absolutely making millions and millions of dollars. But how much money does a small YouTuber like me with 3,500 subscribers make? So before we jump right in, let me explain the different sources of income that you can get on YouTube. Revenue as a small YouTuber comes from 3 main different sources. You've got your typical ad revenue, you've got commissioned videos where maybe a company reaches out to you and says, hey, will you make a video for me? I will pay you money. And lastly, you've got affiliate income, where people can click on your links or use your discount codes, and you get some sort of commission paid out from that. The main one is ad revenue, and it's usually measured by a metric called RPM, which if you're watching this video, you probably already know. RPM stands for revenue per mil, and it's essentially YouTube's metric of how much advertisers pay minus their cut and how much they're gonna pay you, the creator, for your content. And RPM is gonna change based on a bunch of different factors like the industry, the engagement that you get, honestly how long your videos are, because the longer it is, the more mid-roll ads you can put in there, and trending topics like right now, AI. Basically, it's whatever advertisers are willing to pay, which is usually like the most current, most trending, most poppin' types of topics. Personal finance and investing type videos normally have a higher RPM, whereas things like cooking or gaming normally tend to have a low RPM. Now, I do have to admit to you, while I claim to be a finance channel, I've done a pretty horrible job at maximizing my RPM. And it's really because for the time that I was an investment banker, I wasn't allowed to make finance videos because that's what my company told me. But my average RPM for 2024 was right around $6 or so per 1,000 views, and I did around 160,000 views for regular videos like this. So my exact ad revenue from long form content was $966.23. Now, before I jump into commissioned videos, if you're enjoying this one, make sure you smash that like button down below and subscribe to the channel so I can keep making more videos like this. Don't worry, I'll wait. No, seriously, I'm gonna wait until you do it because I don't have anywhere to be and I've got all the time in the world. Okay, so in 2024, I made commissioned videos for a couple different companies. Mainly, there was one called Beam Jobs and another one called Glassdoor, which you might have heard of. Now, I probably can't tell you the breakout of how much each person specifically paid me and what for and all that, but I will tell you that in 2024, I made 17 total commissioned videos, and I was paid a total of $900. That brings the channel total up to $1,866.23, which is already better than what I did 2 years ago. But we're not done just yet. We've still got affiliate income. This is where things got a little crazy for me this year. Normally my affiliate links just come from Amazon links that I put in the descriptions of my videos, but this year I actually added a couple of companies that ended up being really successful for the channel. In total, across all of the affiliate companies that I worked with, just from people clicking on my links or using my codes and buying things, I made $3,497. That brings the channel total to $5,364.18. But wait, we're not done. For those of you that have been following this channel for the last year or so, you'll know that we started a podcast, me and 3 of my best friends. And the podcast has also seen a lot of early revenue success. Now, our full-length episodes haven't really generated a ton of income yet, but one place that we've done really, really well are shorts. Now, shorts have their own RPM amount because shorts just get viewed way more often, so they're not gonna pay you that same $6 per 1,000 views or whatever. They actually only pay you around 19 cents per 1,000 views. But off of shorts views this year on the channel, we did almost 420,000 views, which came out to another 80 bucks or so. And on top of that, we also did affiliate and sponsorship income for ad reads and whatnot on the podcast, which made us another $2,413.80. That brings the total amount that the channel made over 2024 to $7,854.38. YouTube over the years has definitely been a struggle. It's up and down. Whenever you spend a lot of time making a video and it flops, your ego gets hurt and you just feel like you want to quit and give up. But I'm glad that I stuck with it, because almost $8,000, that's almost 3.5 rent payments. And I never would have thought that I would have gotten to this place. I'm also super excited for this year because I've already teamed up with an editor and we're working really hard to be way more consistent and way more dedicated on the channel. Hopefully you can already see the improvements to the video quality just from the last couple videos that we've put out. So this year is definitely gonna be the best yet. Hopefully this shows you guys that small channels can actually make a decent amount of income on YouTube if you want this to be a little side hustle for you. As always, I'm your boy Jerome, and I'll catch you guys next time. Peace.